Hi there, my name is Diane the Necromancer, and this is the first video that I've ever done. Not very technical, don't have much technical knowledge, and I'm just using the webcam and my PC mic. So today I'm going to do a spirit box session. This is the PSB7. Give you a closer look at it for all those who haven't seen this. It's a PSB7 spirit box. It's an ITC communication device which is used to talk to spirits in real time. I've had it for about a month, and I've done a few sessions with it, or about half a dozen sessions, and I can't hear much with my ears, and I don't have a digital recorder at the moment, so the spirits are getting a bit frustrated with me, just sort of saying I can't hear them, and they're telling me things I can't hear. So I've decided to just turn on my webcam, put this right near the speaker, and do a spirit box session. Today I'll be doing a reverse sweep, 200 megacycles in the FM band, and I'm just going to see what comes through, what messages I get, and I'll listen to them later and play it back and hopefully work out how to subtitle this so I can put it on YouTube if I decide I'm going to do that. I don't know yet. This is just a test. As I said, it's the first time I've done this. Hopefully when I get a bit more financial, I can get a digital recorder and be able to actually mic my spirit box instead of using this, which is a bit. One criticism I have of the PSB7 is that the volume is not very good. The internal speakers aren't very good, and even when you add an external speaker, you really need to amp it up to be able to hear what the spirits are saying. Hopefully when I get the internet on, I haven't got the internet yet, I'll be getting the Steve Huff's SCD1. I hear that's a very good program, and I can't wait to try it out. I've seen a few videos on it. So until such times as I can afford the internet connection and the SCD1, I'll be doing just a PSB7 spirit box. Okay, so without further ado, I'll turn it on and ask a few questions. I'll be doing it for about 15 minutes, and I'll see what comes through, so just bear with me. Okay, thank you. Power on. Oh, I forgot to turn the speaker on. Let's put it out. Alright. Put it down. And I'll move this down so you can see it actually speaking through. There we go. Okay, spirits. Hi, welcome. I decided this is about the only way I can record you at the moment, so I hope you're happy. You've asked me to record, and we're doing it now. So if you'd like to come through, I'd like you to be loud and clear for me. Thank you very much. Be happy that I'm able to record you now. You've been going on about how I need to record you, so yeah, I'm doing it now. Down a bit more. There we go. So if you want me to be able to listen to this later, and I forget your voices, you need to come through pretty loud so the microphone on my laptop can pick it up. Okay, so yep, I'm your friend. I Come in peace. I mean no harm. All lines taken from Steve Huff. Are there any spirits out there that would like to come through? William, are you there? Can you come through? William's my familiar spirit, by the way. William attached himself to my spirit box when I first got it. He's the familiar spirit. And all the spirits, or a lot of the spirits, speak through him. So I just want to see if I can make contact with William. William, if you're there, can you please say your name? I'm recording this. So I need you to come through and say your name, William, please. Been getting much on the spirit box lately. Hello? Hello, hello? William? Are you there? Interesting. Yeah, I'm recording it for once. I heard interesting. I need you to come through. Do that again for me, please. William, can you come through, please? Really love it if you can. You wanted me to record my sessions. I haven't been able to. That's about the closest I can get at the moment to recording you. But can you come through, please, William? Please say your name. No chance. Well, you wanted me to record you, and now I'm recording you and you're not saying your name. What's up with that? While I'm recording this, William, can you make my spirit box make that phone
background noise, can you come and touch the spirit box and send an EM pulse through the spirit box? Can you do that for me while I'm recording? I might put this on YouTube later, and I'd like other people to believe me, or believe you. Pretty bored already because I already did a spirit box session today, and you told me that you'll have more to say next week, but I just thought I'd record it and see what I can pick up. So I apologise for the double session today, but you know, I was just going to give this a go. I wanted to see if it would work. But can you come to and say William, or say your name? Are there any spirits out there that would like to say their name? My name's Diane, the Necromancer, or just Diane, you can call me. So you can say my name or your name. I heard yes, and then I heard please stop. You need to cooperate with me today. Can you do that? Cooperate? Just so I can hear you, so I can play it back. Because you always whinge that I can't hear most of what you're saying, so this is about the only way I can. I thank you all for giving it a go anyway. I thank you all for trying. I have my name there. Thank you for saying my name if you did. As I said, I'm gonna have to listen to this and make sure that's what you really said. Listen to it later. William, can you just come to and say William, please? I do it every other time I've got the spirit box on. Can you please do it this time? Don't be shy. William, I heard it, he said. Thank you, William. Thank you for coming through. You sounded like a man that time. You said it in a girl's voice earlier and I had to laugh. You were like, William! But thank you for coming through and saying that. Can you tell me how many spirits are with us today? How many are in the room taking part in this? Give me a number, please. Yes, thank you. If you can do that, perfect. 5. Great, I just heard 5. William. Thank you, William. I heard a clear 5. Great, thanks for cooperating with me. Can you tell me who's here? know the names of the other four? I know one of you is William, but who's the other four? Have you got names there? I'd like to know who I'm speaking to. My name's Diane. Like to introduce yourself to me? You're ready. I'm not too sure what that was. As I said, I'll have to listen to it later and I'll pick up more. But I can't hear very much without recording it now. Have you got any messages for me? Anything you'd like to tell me? Can you do it now while I can listen to it later? Thank you so much if you could do that. I hope. Charles? Did I just see Charles? It sounded like that. Is Charles here? There's a sport called Charles talking to me. Is there a sport called Charles? Maybe. I heard maybe. Do you want to tell me your names or not? Yes or no? You want to tell me your names? Now that I'm recording it, I'll be able to hear you. I'm all set up. I don't know if you said set up or fed up. Is this boring for you guys to talk through the box like this? I know you told me before it's boring. Am I boring you? record this. And if you're using the Spirit Box, you do need to record what the Spirit's are saying, because a lot of it comes through so soft or so too fast or that. So you need a digital recorder. And unfortunately I can't afford one, but that's going to be my next purchase. I just started off doing this, and I need a lot more equipment to be able to hear the Spirits clearly. Spirits, can you tell me what I can you tell me what I said yes. Play it. I'll play it in a minute. I'm going to just record you for about another 10 minutes. And then I'll play it back. Is that okay? You mind bearing with me for another 10 minutes? If you've got anything to say, I'll probably put this on YouTube later. I don't know yet, so this is just a test. Let's see how loud you come through on the playback. Because I'm only using my laptop mic at the moment. That's all I've got. And a shitty speaker right there. So Spirits, if there's anything you'd like to say, yay! Oh wow, yay! That's cool. You can come through like that and I'll be able to hear you. Got any messages? Just come through like that. So whatever you want to say, and yeah, I'll probably put it on YouTube. You want me to put it on YouTube? Yes or no? Would you like to be famous? Spirits like me to put this on YouTube? Oh, they've gone quiet now. You're a good girl. I'll go back to you guys seeing if you can tell me your name or not. Actually, can you tell me my name? I want to hear it as many times. Can you say it as many times as you can? We'll see if that works. My name's Diane, so I'd like to hear that as many times as you can say it. Could you do that for me, please? Get some validation going here. If you want, Diane. Yes, I want. I just said if you want, Diane. Cool. Alright, I'll let it go for another time. I'd like you to say Diane as many times as you can, okay? That'd be great. 7. Are there 7 spirits here now? I said 7. How many of you are here now? Is it 7? Are there 7 of you here? That's right. 8. Awesome. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Thank you for coming through for me. Now, I know you don't like playing this game, but seeing as I'm recording it and I want to show people on YouTube, I'm going to grab an object here and I'm going to place it next to the spirit box. Hold it up so people can see what it is. Can you please tell me what object I've placed next to the spirit box? Thank you for doing that. I won't bore you with this game for too long, because I know it frustrates you guys to play it. It's a lighter. Yep. Thank you, I just heard it. It's a lighter. Came through pretty clear. Thank you so much. I'm going to get one more object and place it next to the spirit box. And I'd like you to tell me what this object is. This is the last time I'll do it because, as I say, I know you guys get frustrated with it. I'll hold it up so people out there can see what I've got. Alright. I'm going to place it next to the spirit box and I'd like you to tell me what that object is, please. Last time, I promise. So can all my spirit friends come through please and tell me what object I've got here that I've put next to the box? I'm recording it so I'll probably be able to hear you on playback. Thank you so much for doing this. Can you see it? Can you see what I've put here? You're able to have a look? Can you see me? Look, I'm waving to you. Hello? Can you see me? Can you see this? It's all quiet. believe as well. Let's just say I've got an open mind. I don't know what to believe. I don't know if I'm talking to spirits. I don't know if I'm talking to other entities. I don't know what's going on here. I'd like to believe that there's an afterlife, but like I said, I keep an open mind. It's not that I don't believe, it's not that I do. I'm just going to give this one last try here, because I haven't heard anything with my ears yet. Maybe something will come back on playback, but can you tell me what I've got here before I remove it? That would be great if you do it. Thank you so much. Alright, so I'll remove these now. I didn't hear anything with my ears that time, but like I said, I will probably hear it when I play it back. So, yeah, thank you. I'm just going to ask you a stupid question now. Are you dead? Are you spirits? Are you dead souls, or are you angels or spirits? What am I actually speaking to? Can you please tell me? Sorry if it's a dumb question, but just a test. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Who are you? Thank you for coming to say good afternoon. Would you like to come forward and introduce yourself to me? Possibly tell me what you are. Are you a ghost? Are you a spirit? Are you the radio? Are you just random noise? What are you? Tell people out there. I might put this on YouTube. Who said good afternoon? Was that the radio or was that a spirit? permission, and I heard 50. You need permission to talk to me? You need permission from William? You need permission from William to talk? Can you please answer that? William? So, what I get is that William's the familiar spirit. He's the main spirit who's assigned to talk to me. But if any other spirits need to talk to me, they have to get permission from William. Is that right? G'day. Hey, g'day. G'day, mate. Who just said g'day to me? I'm saying g'day back. Who's that? Would you like to introduce yourself to me? Spirit that just said g'day? Be great if you could. Fantastic. That is so fantastic. And that came through as an EVP, by the way. Yeah, fantastic. This came through as a Class A EVP. I could hear it with my own ears. Above the spirit box radio noise. That was awesome. That was fantastic. Thank you. I like it when replies come through like that I can hear above the radio, and I can hear it with my own ears. Cool. Do you like my dog? I just got a dog. Do you like him? You know what his name is? Don't tell me. No, I'm not going to tell you. That was great. Don't tell me. I heard that so clear. Alright, so can you tell me his name? I'm not going to tell you his name. I want you to tell me. Can you please do that? says hi. Yeah, hi. I'm listening up for my dog's name at the moment. So if you want to come through and tell me hello, I'll say hello to you later, but right now, if you know my dog's name, you should know it by now, guys. Can you tell me what my doggy's name is? Please. Magic word, please. You probably said it already, but I'll hear it on playback. But this is just confirmation. With that question anymore. You either know it or you don't. You probably have already said it. I'll have to listen to this later. So are there any more messages that you'd like to give to me before I end the session? I'll be ending it in about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm just listening for any final messages. Like I said, I'm recording it and I'll play it back and I'll be able to hear it then. I'll give it a few more squeaks through. Thank you all for coming through today. Thank you to William and to the other spirits who shall remain nameless. Unless you want to tell me your name right now, you'll remain nameless. But thank you, William. Thank you, spirits. I'll give it a few more squeaks. See what you want to tell me before we end it off, okay? So it's been great to talk to you today. I respect you. And I appreciate all that you've done and all you'll continue to do for me. It's been wonderful. It's been fantastic. I just said please listen. Yeah, I'll be listening to this, tonight after I do this, I'll be listening to it, and then when I work out how to subtitle it, because this is my first video I have ever done anywhere, and I'll subtitle it and put it on, make a YouTube account and put it on YouTube. Okay, I promise you guys that. I'm going to switch it off now. I want to say bye-bye. Thank you and bye-bye. Good night. Anyone want to come through and say bye to me? Yep, that would be great. Thank you all again. So, bye-bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. it a definite buy in there. Alright. Okay then. Thank you guys. Bye. I'll switch it off now. Press this button. Yeah. Cool. And there it goes. So, that was my PSB 7 Spirit Box session. As I said, this is my first ever video I've ever made anywhere, and the first one I've ever done with the Spirit Box. And I'll listen to it, work out how to subtitle it, and hopefully there'll be more to come in future. So thank you very much for listening, and a big thank you to Steve Huff and Anthony Sanchez and all of the great Spirit Box pioneers out there. And I will be getting the SCD1 when I can afford it, when I can afford to get my internet put on. So with that being said, it's time to end this, and I'll catch us all later. Thank you. Have a good one.